Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am. Hello, good day. I'm Rose Jean Lumawag, 33 years of age. I'm single parent of two children, currently here in Philippines, and I'm trying to find new employer in Hong Kong, hoping that I can find and
Okay. How old are your kid now?
8 and 14 months.
8 and 14. If you come Hong Kong, who will gonna take care of them?
My mother and father, ma'am.
Okay, I see. And what is your working experience? Can you tell me more?
Okay. My previous employer in Philippines last 2018 and to 2022 I'm working in Filipino employer here, five members in the family. Only the house is bungalow. Then I'm taking care of the two children, 3 years old and 5 years old. And also I'm cleaning the house, doing hand washing, cleaning the car, marketing, cooking also. And then I came before in Hong Kong last 2022 to 2025. I'm working. I'm work. I'm work there in my basic duties is to taking care of the elderly, 94 years old, and then also doing household chores, car washing, marketing, and and then helping my co-workers to prepare the dinner, and that's all. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you so much. It's very detailed already. You take care of the elderly is 婆婆 or 公公?
Popo, popo.
婆婆. Okay,
Yeah.
she is disabled or what kind of special care you need to provide?
Taking shower because she can stand by
Oh,
herself.
paralyzed. She is paralyzed stroke.
Yeah, and not paralyzed because of the elderly can't stand. We use that ng ng we need to push
Shower
the
chair, the wheelchair
yeah,
stick.
yeah, the
Mm.
wheelchair to go in the bathroom, to do urine and then change diaper. Also, like caregiver, like that.
Caregiver. Okay. How
Yeah, yeah,
many family member in this family?
six people.
6 people. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Who are they? Couples and
The
elderly and
couple, the elderly, and then the son of the two elderly, and then her housewife, and then two children,
the children. How old are they?
16 and 22.
Oh, 16 and 22 go up already.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Grow up.
Do you remember the location in Hong Kong?
Yeah, number 6 Old Peak Road,
Mid
number 6
level.
Old Peak Road.
Is it mid level?
uh, no, no, Hollywood Heights. Number 6 10B, number 6 Old Peak Road, Hollywood Heights, mid-level Hong Kong.
Okay. Okay, so it's mid level. It's
Sorry.
very detailed.
Yeah,
Okay. If you need to go marketing, can you go by yourself?
yeah, I can go, ma'am.
Okay, so you ride
Mostly I
by
can go.
minibus.
Yeah, minibus
Okay.
to go
Uh,
in one chai. Yeah,
Oh yes, directly to Wan Chai. And may I know the
yeah.
nationality of this family?
What do you call this? Indian, British, like yeah.
Is it Indian? Indian, British,
But the nationality is British.
British.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. So maybe they're half. They're British and also Indian, right?
yeah, yeah,
Okay. So what kind of
yeah.
food is Western food, Indian style, or British style? The food.
Uh, Mostly Indian because the daughter of the yeah, the daughter is vegetarian. Only we cook that the Indian food. Sometimes we cook Western like
Mm.
tofu.
Okay. So
Yes.
because they're British, they will speak Mandarin or they speak English. They speak English with
Only
you.
English,
Only English, no Cantonese.
and then no Cantonese, and then sometimes they speak Indian.
Indian language.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. So, how many years you work for this family?
Sorry, ma'am.
How many years you work for? How many contract you work for them?
Only 3 years, ma'am.
3 years.
First contract I finished, and then I renew, and then I didn't finish my contract because that
The kid.
I need to go back to the Philippines. Yeah,
Okay, so at that time, the father of the kid take away your kid, so that's why you need to go back
yeah,
and fetch them
yeah.
back.
I need to settle. Yeah, and I already settled
Okay, how about the
all the
status?
problem.
How about your status now? You're already separate with your husband, or you're still
Yeah,
being together?
we're no, we're separated, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Which month you go back to Philippines in 2025? Which month you go back?
July 24.
Okay, July 24. So it has been around almost 6 months. You're
Yeah,
still in
here
Philippines now.
in yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay. And then, uh, okay, in Philippines, you take care of kid, right? Two kid.
yeah, yeah,
How old are they
yeah.
when you start working?
3 to 7, and before I came, 3 years old, and then 5, and then I worked there in 4 years,
Mm,
and then I processed the papers to go in Hong Kong.
okay. Are you a stay-in
Yeah,
helper? Stay-in helper in this family?
yeah. I stay on.
Okay. Do you need to sleep with the kid?
Yeah, sometimes, and then mostly I sleep in the 3 years old.
Okay. Okay. Are you confident that if you need to take care two kid in Hong Kong, are you confident you can take care two kid?
2 kids.
Yes, in Hong Kong,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
two kid. Like for
Yeah.
example, 4 years old and 10 years old. Can you take care of them?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes,
Okay.
it's fine.
Okay. Are you willing to share room with the kid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And can you tell me what will you do if the kid keep crying at the midnight? Like if you need to take care of 4 years old kid and the 4 years old kid always crying at the midnight. What will you do?
I will ask whatever he wants, and then I will talk slowly,
Mm-hmm.
and then I will do what he needs,
Okay.
and then
How about
yeah,
if the kid not feeling well, what will you do?
I will ask the parents what the medicine for her or for her, and then
Mm.
I will I will also wipe her body, then check every single day.
Okay, very nice. Keep checking up. And
Yeah,
what will you do if you bring the kid to the park and the kid get hurt? 4 years old, they will keep running
yeah,
around. So what will you do if Hong Kong environment, like
yeah,
sometime they
yeah, yeah.
will fall down, or what will you do if they get hurt?
I need to focus that
Mm.
children, then go by her side to avoid some damages.
Mm.
Just focus on the children.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for your detail. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
ma'am. Thank
Bye
you, ma'am. Thank you.
bye.
Bye bye.